Hello and welcome to another tutorial from MyDigitalSolutions, a flagship brand of the MDS Group Global Limited. Myself, I'm Sharan Vakachan. We are based in Media City, UK, right in the heart of Greater Manchester. Today, we will be discussing about how to upgrade or update your Shopify theme, particularly if you have purchased it from a third-party provider, specifically like ThemeForest. So today we will be upgrading this demo store that we have created for you, a beautiful organic store. Just to make it easier, I have already downloaded the newest file, which you can see here. The old version, the current version is 3.0.1 and the newest version is 3.0.5, which we can preview and see that it's a simple and it's not been updated. So let's get started. In order to update your Shopify store to the newest version without taking the pain to go to each and every elements or sessions and update manually, what we can do, always start with duplicating your current store, that anyone can make mistakes. So always we recommend do not work on your live website. So we have made a duplication, a copy of our current website. Preview. That seems to be perfect. And you can see the new. So to get started, go to the edit code of your copy. Come to the section config. Settings_data.json. Select. Control A or Command A to select all. Control C or Command C to copy all. Exit. Go to your new theme. Again, edit code. Config. Settings_data.json. Command A, Command V to paste it and save. You can see it will not make much difference at this point. So the next step is go to exit the newest version. Go to the copy of your current version again. Edit code. Type index. Index is otherwise known as your main landing page, home page, and go to index.json. Again, Command A or Control A, Command C or Control C to copy it. Exit. Go to your new theme. Again, edit code. Type index. Index.json. Command A or Control A to select all. Control V to paste it. Save. And now if you hard refresh your new theme, you'll be able to see that a lot of changes has happened over here. Where you can see that the footer has not been updated yet compared to your current theme. On our current theme, you can note that I have wrote it as MyDigitalSolutions UK demo store and our direct number and our direct email address. But when you come to the demo store, it's different. So let's change it. Again, go to our copy store, copy of your current store, edit code, type footer -group.json. You can see whatever we have selected on the stores on the top. Command A to select all, Command C to Control C to copy, exit. Go to your new store, which is 3.0.5. Again, edit code. Go to footer group, select all, Control A, Command V or Control V to paste and save. This is our new store and you can see no changes has been so far made. Let's hard refresh and go to the bottom and you can see this being updated as our current theme. So this is how you will be able to update all your Shopify themes to the newest version if it has been purchased from a third-party company. It might change depending upon the way it has been formulated and depending upon the Shopify's previous Shopify's before 2.0 themes. If you find any difficulties, we are very happy to help you, and please make sure you subscribe and follow us for more tutorials on different types of approaches you'll be able to take in terms of web designing and shortcuts. Thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day.